Hello children. I hope all of you are fine and safe. After a long break, we are coming back to our studies. So let's start our work with full pack of energy. As we start, let's work with full dedication and hard work. And also let us enjoy our work. Today, we are going to start our mathematics class. In that, we are going to see our first unit, that is applications of matrices and determinants. Under that chapter, we are going to see exercise 1.1. Let's go for the first question, that is, find the adjoint of the following. I'll explain to you what is adjoint with the help of the sum. Let's go with the sum. So consider A, or you can say let A is equal to minus 3, 4, 6, 2. Now what is the next step you are going to do is, you are going to find the cofactors of A. So this cofactor is not a new thing to you. We have already studied about cofactors in class 11. Now let's see how to find the cofactors. So now here, let's see. So when you are going to find cofactors of A, just think. So for the first row and first column, you remove the elements from the first row and the first column. So what is left now? 2. So write here 2. Similarly, when you go for the next one, that is 4, eliminate that row, eliminate that column. So what is left now here? 6. Similarly, when you come for the third element, eliminate the row and eliminate the column. So what is left now? 4. Similarly, when you come for the fourth element, eliminate the row and eliminate the column. So what is left now here? Minus 3. And one more thing we have to do for cofactor is, we have to see the sign. The sign is like this. For 2 by 2 matrix, the sign becomes plus, minus, minus, plus. And if it is a 3 by 3 matrix, the sign is plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. So you have to remember this sign for the cofactors. What is the sign for 2 by 2 matrix? It's plus, minus, minus, plus. And for 3 by 3 matrix, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. So now we are going to insert the sign. So let's see the sign. It's positive. So no need to do any changes. What is the sign here? Minus. So insert a minus sign over here. Again, it's minus sign. So insert a minus sign. It's positive. So no need to change the sign. So now we have found the cofactors of A. I'll just repeat you once again how to find the cofactors. So go with the first one. If it's minus 3, eliminate that particular row and column. So what is left now? 2. Similarly, go for the next one. So eliminate that particular row and column. And what is left? It's 6. Next, go for 6. Eliminate the row and eliminate the column. So what is left? 4. Again go for 2. Eliminate the row and eliminate the column. What is left? Minus 3. And accordingly, you people have to insert the sign. This for the first one, it's positive. That means nothing changes. Everything remains as it is. Now, it was 6. So, it was a negative sign. So, we have to insert a negative sign. And the next one is minus. So, we have changed the sign as minus 4. And it was minus 3. So, sign was plus. So, nothing will change. Minus 3 will remain as minus 3. So, now we have found the cofactors of A. So, now what is the next thing we are going to do is, we are just going to find the adjoint. Now, adjoint is nothing but, adjoint is the transpose of cofactors of A. Are you getting the definition of adjoint? What is adjoint? Adjoint is the transpose of cofactors of the given matrix. So here we have the matrix A. So let's find adjoint of A. So adjoint of A is equal to 2 minus 6 minus 4 minus 3 transpose. which is equal to, now you know how to find the transpose? Interchanging of rows and columns. So write down this row as column. So it becomes 2 minus 6 minus 4 minus 3. So this is our answer. I hope you people are clear with the adjoint. So adjoint is nothing but, adjoint is the transpose of cofactor of A. So what is your first step? You people have to find out the cofactors. And the second step is you have to find the transpose of cofactors. So once you find the transpose of cofactors, you get the answer for adjoint. So this is our first subpart from question number 1. Take down the sum, children. Try the sum by yourself. Okay, now let's go for the second subpart, that is 2, 3, 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 7, 2. We are going to follow the same manner, but here a small changes since it's a 3 by 3 matrix. So let's go for the first step. So what you are going to do is, you are going to name this matrix. You say, let A is equal to 2, 3, 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 7, 2. Okay, so we have assigned a matrix, that is we have given A is equal to 2, 3, 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 7, 2. So what is the next thing? We are going to find out the cofactor. That is, question is to find adjoint. So what is the first step? Find the cofactor. And what is the second step? Find the transpose of the cofactor. Okay, now let's see how to find the cofactor for a 3 by 3 matrix. Already I have told you the sign. What is the sign for 3 by 3 matrix? Plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. Do not forget the sign. Sign plays a very, very important role. So be careful with the sign. Okay, now let's see how to find the cofactor. I'll write over here. Cofactors of A is equal to. Okay, let's see. Just put a small big bracket and let's start. The first sign is plus. So now, for 2 by 2 matrix, we directly eliminated the row and the column and we got the element directly. But here, since it's a 3 by 3 matrix, so for the first number 2, what are you going to do is eliminate the particular row and the column. So what is left now? 4, 1, 7, 2. This is our first part. Now what is the next sign? It's minus. So just give us particular proper space, minus, and let's see what are the numbers to be filled. So we are going to go. So we have completed for 2. What is the next thing you're going to do? We are going for 3. So let's see how to go right for 3. So eliminate the row, and eliminate the column. So what is left now? So 3, 1, 3, 2. Next, what is the sign over here? It's plus. So write your plus. Same. It's 3. It's 1. So we have finished for 2. We have finished for 3. Now what we are going to do? We are going to see for this element. So eliminate the row, eliminate the column. So what is left over here? 3, 4, 3, 7. So I have finished the first row. Now let's go for the next one. Similarly, now for 3, eliminate this particular row and eliminate the column. So what is left now? Be careful when you are writing the numbers because you will get confused. If you make mistake, everything goes wrong. Okay, so now we are going for 3. So 3, eliminate the row and eliminate the column. So now what's left? 3, 1, 7, 2. What is the sign? It's minus. Minus 3, 1, 7, 2. Try to fill. Children, I am waiting for you. Fill it. Okay, let's see. What is the next sign? It's plus. So now you are going to go for the next element, that is 4. So just eliminate the row and the column. So what's left here? 2, 1, 3, 2. Yeah? Now what is the next sign? It's minus. So we have to eliminate this row and this column. So what is left? 2, 3, 3, 7. 2, 3, 3, 7. Okay, so second row has been completed. Now let's go for the third row. Try out the third row. I hope you people have understood the step. See the sign? The sign is plus. So insert a plus sign over here. Now let's see. So now which number you are going to focus on? You are going to see the third element. Already you know how to read the numbers. Yes, this is A11, A12, A13. Now this is A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Okay. So it goes like this. So now you are going to focus on the set. Now what we can say? So we are going to focus on 3. So eliminate the row and eliminate the column. So now what's left? 3, 1, 4, 1. What is the next sign? It's minus. Now which number are we going to focus on? 7. So just eliminate that particular row and column. So what is left now? 2, 1, 3, 1. Next. What about the next thing? Sign is plus. Okay. So we are going to focus on 2. So eliminate that row and eliminate that column. So now what is left? 2, 3, 3, 4. 2, 3, 3, 4. So we have written all the values. Let's check your values once again. Just check whether you have written all the values correctly. I hope we have written everything correctly. So let's try to simplify it. So for 2 by 2 matrix, it's simple. We can directly find out the element. But for 3 by 3 matrix, we have to find out the value and we have to write it. So let's find out the value. So I'll just continue over here. So this is equal to 4 2s are 8. 8 minus 7. That is 1. Okay, now next. Tell me the answer. 3 2s are 6. 3 1s are 3. So I'll write over here. It's 8. 4 2s are 8 minus 7. I get the answer as 1. 3 2s are 6. 3 1s are 3. So minus 3. Okay, and what is the main sign over here? It's minus. So what is the answer? Minus 3. Next one. 7 3s are 21. Minus 4 3s are 12. So what is the answer? 21 minus 12. The answer is 9. What is the main sign over here? Plus. So you get here 9. Plus 9. Okay. Coming to the next row. 3 2s are 6. 7 1s are 7. 6 minus 7. It's minus 1. Minus 1. And what is the sign present here? It's minus. So minus of minus 1. It's plus 1. So what you are going to write down here? Plus 1. Go for the next one. 2 2s are 4. 3 1s are 3. So 4 minus 3, 1. Plus sign. So your answer is 1. Next one. What is the next thing? 2 7s are 14. Minus 9. 14 minus 9, it's 5. Notice the sign present out? Minus. Your answer is minus 5. Coming to the next row. 3 ones are 3, 4 ones are 4. So 3 minus 4, it's minus 1, and you have a sign here, plus. So the sign will not change. So what is your answer? It's minus 1. Next thing. 2 ones are 2, 3 ones are 3. So 2 minus 3, it's minus 1, and you have a minus sign outside. So minus and minus 1 becomes plus 1. Next thing. 2 fours are 8. 3 threes are 9. So 8 minus 9 minus 1. We have a positive sign here. The sign will not change. So you have the answer here, minus 1. So now what we have found? We have found the cofactors of A. Yes, children? So we have a matrix. We have got a matrix A. So with that matrix, what we have done? We have completed our first step. That is, we have found cofactors of A. Now what we are going to do? So now our question is to find the adjoint of the given matrix. Yes? So now let's find adjoint. So how to find adjoint? Adjoint of A is nothing but it is the transpose of the cofactor. So you just write the cofactor as it is. That's 1 minus 3, 9, 1, 1, minus 5, minus 1, 1, minus 1, the transpose. We have to write down your transpose. So what your answer becomes now? Just interchange the rows and the columns. So this becomes 1, minus 3, 9, 1, 1, minus 5, minus 1, 1, minus 1. So now this is our answer. Take down the sum. I hope the sum is clear to you. We are going very slow. Just understand the steps and complete your work. Okay. I hope you people have taken down the sum. Let's go for the third subpart. Now let's see the third subpart. What's the third subpart? It's 1 by 3, 2, 2, 1, minus 2, 1, 2, 1, minus 2, 2. So now what we are going to do over here, again we are going to find the adjoint of the given matrix. Now, already you people know what are the two steps to be followed. The first step is to find out the cofactors, and the second step is to find out the transpose of the cofactor. So now let's start with the sum. But here, comparing your first sum and second sum, there's a small change over here. That is, now this particular matrix is being in the form. So how to do? Let's see here. So you people have to apply here one particular formula. It's adjoint of lambda. Okay. Actually, it's given in this matrix because here matrix alone is not given. Along with that, one particular number is given to you. That is, we can consider that number as lambda. So adjoint lambda A is equal to lambda raised to n minus 1 adjoint of A. So this is the formula that you people are going to follow. So remember this formula. What's the formula you're going to use here? Adjoint lambda A is equal to lambda raised to n minus 1 adjoint A. Getting my point? Okay, so now let's see what is lambda here and what is n here. So here, lambda is equal to 1 by 3 and your n is nothing but n is the order, and what is the order over here? It's a 3 by 3 matrix, so n becomes 3. So here we have got two values. That is, we have got the value for lambda and we have got the value for n. Okay. Now let's take our matrix A. So say I'm just going to focus on this particular part because I have told you that this is our lambda part. So just focus on the second half part of the formula. It is lambda raised to n minus 1. We can find the answer. Yes. So what we are going to do now here, we are going to find adjoint. So assume A as 2, 2, 1, minus 2, 1, 2, 1, minus 2, 2. So now it's our as usual process. You know how to find the cofactors and you know how to find the transpose. Go with the work. I hope you people have started the sum. Continue your sums, children. So we have the next step. It's cofactor of A. Cofactors of A. Just have a big bracket. You know what are the signs to be followed. For a 3 by 3 matrix, the sign is, I will write over here. It's plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. Start with the sum. So first one is plus. We have minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. So try to fill it. So when you go for the first element of the first row and the first column, eliminate that particular row and eliminate that particular column. So what is left now? 1, 2, minus 2, 2. 1, 2, minus 2, 2. Go for the next second element. So eliminate the particular row and the particular column. So now what's left? Minus 2. Be careful with the sign. Do not make mistake when you are copying the sum. Be careful with the sign. Sign is very, very important. So what do you get here? Minus 2, 2, 1, 2. Yes. Let's go for the third one. What we get for the third one? So we are going to focus on the third part. This number. So just eliminate that row, eliminate the column. So what is left now? Minus 2, 1, 1, minus 2. Okay. So we have minus 2, 1, 1, minus 2. Go for the next row. Now we have completed the first rows. So let's come for the second row. So what we get here? So what is the element here? Minus 2. So eliminate that particular row and eliminate that particular column. So what do you get? This row and this column is eliminated. So what is left now? 2, 1, minus 2, 2. 2, 1, minus 2, 2. Now let's go for the next thing. Now what is the next element you are going to focus on? You are going to see the element 1. So eliminate this row and eliminate that column. So what is left now? 2, 1, 1, 2. 2, 1, 1, 2. Okay, let's go for the next thing. So now we are going to focus on 2. So when you take this element 2, you have to eliminate the corresponding row and the corresponding column. So now what is left? 2, 2, 1 minus 2. 2, 2, 1 minus 2. Now let's come for the third row. When you are coming for the third row, consider the element from the third row. So we are going to see the first element from the third row. It's 1. So eliminate that particular row and eliminate that particular column. So now what's left? 2, 1, 1, 2. 2, 1, 1, 2. Okay, now let's go for the next thing. So what is the next element? Minus 2. So now, for 2, eliminate that particular column and row. And what are the numbers left out now? 2, 1, minus 2, 2. Okay, now let's go for the last element. What is the element over here? It's 2. So what are you going to do? Eliminate that particular row and column. So what is left? 2, 2, 2 and minus 2, 1. Minus 2, 1. So we have filled all the details. Now let's solve our sum and get the answer. Okay, let's see how to get the answer. So what do you get here? 2 minus 2 into 2 becomes 4 minus 4, and already we have a main sign minus. So it becomes 2 minus 4. So what is our answer? Our answer is 6. Don't get confused with the sign. Be careful with the sign. It's 1 into 2, 2. Minus 2 into 2 becomes minus 4. The main sign is minus. So you get 2 plus 4, that is 6. Now next thing. Minus 2 into 2, it's minus 4. 1 into 2, it's 2. So minus 2. So you get minus 4 minus 2. Minus is plus. And sign of the bigger number is minus. So it becomes minus 6. So already you people know all this thing, but again don't just see that minus becomes plus and the sign of the bigger number is minus. It doesn't go like this. Since here two signs are coming together, you have to make them a single sign. So minus becomes plus. So you have the value 2 plus 4, that is 6. But here it's not together, yes? So the signs are not coming together. So you have to consider minus as plus. So you have to add them and you have to write the sign of the bigger number, that is minus. So what do you get here? Minus. It is minus 2 into 2 is minus 4. 1 into 2 is 2. That is main sign is minus, so you get 2 here. So it becomes minus 6. But now already what is the sign present over here? It's minus. So minus becomes plus. So this minus will change into plus. Next thing. Minus 2 into minus 2. It's plus 4. 1 into 1 minus 1. What is the answer? 4 minus 1 is 3. What is the sign present outside? Plus. So what is the answer you get? 3. Next thing. 2 2s are 4. Minus 2 into 1 minus 2. What is the main sign? Minus. Minus of minus 2. So 4 minus. Already I told you when the two signs are coming together, minus becomes plus. So 4 plus 2 is 6. What is the sign present here? Minus. So your answer becomes minus 6. Coming to the next part. 2 2s are 4. 1 1s are 1. So 4 minus 1, 3. Next. 2 into minus 2, minus 4. 1 into 2, minus 2. Okay. So what is minus 4 minus 2? Minus 4 minus 2 is minus 6. And what is the sign present outside? Minus. So minus of minus 6 becomes, there is minus of minus 6 becomes plus 6. Next, 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. Sign is plus, so no change in the sign. Next, 2 2s are 4. Minus 2 into 1, minus 2. So it's minus of minus 2. So you get 4 plus 2, that is 6. And the outside sign is minus. What is your answer here? It's minus 6. Next, 2 1s are 2. 2 1s are 2. Minus of minus 4. So 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. And the sign over here is plus. So 2 plus 4 is 6. So we have got the answer. Since the positive sign is present in the front, we have written a positive sign. So what do you get here? 6 plus 6, 3, minus 6, 3, 6, 3, minus 6, 6. So now we have found the cofactors. Now what is our next step? We are going to find the adjoint. Already I have told you what is adjoint. Adjoint is nothing but you have to take the transpose of the cofactors. So now let's complete our sum. So how you are going to write our sum? So now what we are going to do is, now we are going to come out to our formula format. So let's see the formula format. Since I'll write here, therefore, adjoint, I will say here, required matrix or the required adjoint is equal to, okay, what is the required adjoint? Lambda raised to n minus 1. What's our lambda, children? 1 by 3. 1 by 3, n minus 1. n minus 1, 3 minus 1. Then adjoining. Already you know what is the meaning of adjoint, yes? So you have to write the cofactors and you have to take the transpose of it. So you write down here 6, 6, 3, minus 6, 3, 6. 3 minus 6, 6 transpose. Since I have only found the cofactors over here, so we need the transpose of it. So I am just filling the formula format. So what is the required adjoint? The required adjoint is 1 by 3, the whole raised to 3 minus 1, 6, 6, 3, minus 6, 3, 6, 3 minus 6, 6, the whole transpose. So let's finish our sum. So I'll just write over here, children. So what you get here? So I'll just have continued over here. So this becomes 1 by 3, the whole square. 3 minus 1 becomes 2. Then write the transpose of it. Transpose, you know what is transpose? Interchanging rows and columns. So interchange the rows as column. So it becomes 6, 6, 3, minus 6, 3, 6. 3 minus 6, 6. Yes. So now let's simplify it. So it's 1 by 9. 1 square is 1. 3 square is 9. What can be taken common from here? We can take 3 common from here. So I am just taking 3 common. And what is left now? 3 2s are 6. Minus 2. 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 1s are 3. Minus 2. 1s are 2s are 2s are. So now 3 1s are 3 3s are. So what's your final answer? 1 by 3, 2, minus 2, 1, 2, 1, minus 2, 1, 2, 2. So this is our required adjoint.